Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up English, Learn from Zero. I'm Anna.
And I'm John. It's great to be here with you today.
How are you doing, John?
I'm doing fantastic. But today's topic, oh boy, it's a big one.
Yes, a big one that almost every English learner faces.
Okay, now you've made me curious. What is it?
Today, we're talking about the problem I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, the classic. I've heard this hundreds of times from students.
Me too. They say, I can watch movies, I understand everything, but when I try to speak, my brain freezes.
Yes, the words just disappear. You feel like your voice is locked.
Exactly. But today, we'll show you how to unlock that English voice.
Unlock my voice? I love that. What's the first key?
The first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen? But I already understand.
Understanding is good, but it's passive. We need active listening.
Passive? Active? What's the difference?
Passive listening is when English is in the background, like music. Active listening means you focus, repeat, and shadow.
Shadow? Like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly. You become the shadow of the speaker. Repeat what they say at the same time.
Oh, that sounds difficult.
It is at first. Start small. Listen to one sentence, pause, and repeat. Then try to speak along with them. Create your English mode.
My English mode? Like a super... Oh no, my brain loves my native language.
Of course, but you can practice. Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself? People would think I'm crazy.
Then do it when you're alone. Just describe what you're doing. For example, I'm making coffee. I need a cup. Where's the milk?
Okay, I'm sitting in the studio. I'm talking to Anna. I'm happy.
Perfect! It sounds silly, but it's powerful. It forces your brain to find the words.
But what if I don't know the words?
Then, don't memorize single words. Learn chunks.
Chunks? Like pieces of cake?
Kind of. Chunks are small groups of words you often use together.
Give me an example.
Instead of point, learn that's a good point.
Oh, so I can use it right away in conversation.
Exactly. Or instead of mean, learn you know what I mean?
That's so useful. These are like Lego blocks. You just connect them.
Yes. Chunks help you sound natural and speak faster without worrying about grammar.
Okay, Anna. I've got my chunks. What's next?
You must speak every day.
Every day? Oh no. I'm busy, tired, and lazy.
Just 5 or 10 minutes a day is enough.
So 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Absolutely. Speaking is like exercising a muscle. It needs daily training.
But who do I talk to? I live in a non-English speaking country.
Talk to your phone.
My phone doesn't talk back.
Use the voice recorder. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute.
I hate my voice.
Everyone does at first, but it's a great way to hear your pronunciation and progress. You become your own teacher.
Okay, I'll try. But can I make it more fun?
Yes, try role-playing.
Like acting in a movie?
Exactly. Pretend you're in real-life situations. At a restaurant, at the airport, in a job interview.
Okay, let's try.
Hello, sir. What would you like to order?
I'd like a pizza, please.
And to drink.
I'll have some water. please.
See? Easy, fun, and great practice.
It really helps my brain think in English, not in translation. But Anna, what if I make mistakes? I'm scared people will laugh.
Everyone feels that way. But here's the secret. Mistakes are your friends.
Friends? No way. Mistakes are red marks on my test.
Not in speaking. Mistakes mean you're trying and that you're brave.
Brave?
Yes, fluency comes after mistakes, not before. So speak, even if it's not perfect.
Wow. Communication, not perfection.
Exactly. If people understand you, you win.
That really changes how I see speaking English. What's the last tip?
Practice responding. Train your brain to reply fast.
Reply fast? Like answer quickly?
Yes, conversations are two-way. Listen, speak. Listen, speak.
That's the hard part.
You can use AI chatbots or talk to friends. The goal is to respond, not just listen.
So listening is passive, replying is active.
You got it. Combine all these tips and you'll finally speak without freezing.
Let's review.
Sure.
Tip 1, active listening, shadowing.
Tip 2, create your English mode. Talk to yourself.
Tip 3, learn chunks, not single words.
Tip 4, speak every day.
Tip 5, record your voice.
Tip 6, role play real-life situations.
Tip 7, make friends with your mistakes.
And tip 8, practice responding.
Wow, that's a solid plan.
Remember, understanding is great, but speaking connects you to people.
So true. Speak every day, even imperfectly. That's how fluency begins.
Exactly. Thank you all for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which tip will you try first.
Leave your answer in the comments. We love reading them.
Until next time.
Keep practicing and speak up every day.